how to create a blog in Systeme-io for free. So if you want to create a blog in Systeme-io for free, it's quite simple. You just have to open your browser and go to Systeme.io and log into your account. Even if you don't have a pro account, you can do this with a free account. So at the top of the navigation menu, you can find websites, under which you can see this option called blogs. So all you have to do is click on the blogs option right here. Now we want to create a new blog, so we will just click on the create option right here. We can simply name this blog whatever else it is that we want to prefer right here, and we also want to give it a domain name. Now if you have a domain name, that's perfectly fine. If you don't, then you can also actually just purchase the domain name from anywhere else. You can choose one of the templates that you prefer right here and just click on select template, and you can also see the URL path right here. Once you click on the save option, you'll be able to finish creating your blogging website. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create your blogging or create your blog website on Systeme.io for free. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.